Good morning and welcome to Included. This is our way of keeping you informed of what God is doing here at RCC.
March is National Reading Month. Join TAG as we celebrate National Reading Month with Spirit Sunday. This Sunday will be TAG Spirit Sunday. For more info, please see any of your TAG leaders. TAG would like to wish all our little lovelies who are celebrating a birthday in the month of March a very happy special birthday. We pray that all your wishes come true. Happy birthday. Join TAG Learn Small Group every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. for our new I-Series as we teach our children how to become disciples of Christ. RCC would like to invite you out to our annual Easter egg hunt on April 20th, where there'll be fun, food, prizes, face painting, and of course our Easter egg hunt. Please join us on April 20th from 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. at Lake Benson Park, Shelter 3. That's located at 921 Buffalo Road in Garner. The sermon series for the month of March for Tag and Emerge Ministries is Do You Know Your Superpower? And it comes from 2 Samuel chapter 22, verse 33.
Join us here at RCC for Wednesday night Bible study for some spiritual food for your soul. Prayer begins at 6:30 p.m. followed by Bible study at 7:15.
Be a part of our Easter Sunday shoot on April 21st. RCC will be taking photos immediately following service on Easter Sunday. Family photos will be just $10 and for kids photos only $5. Come ready for your close-up.
Hey ladies, we saved you a seat at the Mother's Day Tea coming up on Saturday, May the 11th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. To register, text Tea Time to 919-756-7933. Again, to register for this Mother's Day Tea on Saturday, May the 11th, text Tea Time to 919-756-7933. The theme of this Mother's Day Tea is entitled, We Saved You a Seat. Restoration Anointed Productions presents Jesus' epic journey to the cross. Join us here at RCC on Easter Sunday, April 21st at 10:30 a.m.
To all those celebrating a birthday or anniversary in the month of March, RCC would like to extend a warm and heartfelt happy birthday and anniversary. We wish for you a day filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. Happy birthday. Hope your special day brings you all that your heart desires. The March theme for RCC's sermon series is Transformed, and it comes from 2 Kings verse 5, chapters 8 through 10.
Thanks for watching. You're now included.